In this video, I will explain what the DSY principle is and how it applies to your life. DSY stands for Don't Strain Yourself, though the original has a four-letter word that rhymes with hit. And let me illustrate it by way of an example from my hometown. A news item caught my eye the other day. A runner in one of the sketchy neighborhoods got beaten up by the local hoodlums. His running irked and offended them somehow. Now, I don't know how. They chased him, he couldn't outrun them, and he barricaded himself in a little kiosk, but they dragged him out and beat him severely. Maybe he even got stabbed. He survived though, so we can laugh. Like my friend Bartek, a big-time runner himself, who burst out laughing and said, "Damn, they must have caught him at the end of his run where he had nothing left." Now, a lot of people train like this. They burn through everything they've got until there is nothing left. That's what our culture teaches us to do. Give it your all. Train to failure. No pain, no gain. Push yourself. It is nonsense. And it is harmful. It also killed countless people, not only in fitness, but on Mount Everest too. More people die on the way down than on the way up. You could say they reach their goal, but what use is it if they don't get to come back home to their loved ones? Giving it your all sounds noble, but it's madness. Some people, especially runners, react badly to this idea. Yet cardiologists have been sounding the alarm for a while now. You can damage an older heart by pushing it too hard with endurance training. I will let you decide for yourself whether you believe the doctors or the companies trying to sell you performance gear and new shoes every season. If you are curious how I train based on DSY, check out this article, Why I Avoid Moderate Workouts Like the Plague. Hi, I'm Pavel. I'm an anthropologist who's totally unqualified to dispense fitness advice, but I do it anyway. I'm back from hiatus and my videos are now released on my website first, 1 week before YouTube. It's free, it's without ads, and if you want to support me, you can become a member and get access to the Sendyka method course beta, which is an awesome way to get fit, strong and flexible with no equipment and very little time. That's how I rebuilt my body after 40, and I'm confident you can rebuild yours. Now back to our regular programming. And to that runner, what if he had been slow jogging? By definition, slow jogging is the speed at which you can carry on a conversation. It leaves something in the tank. I dare say he would have had enough wind left to pick up speed. Does it not make sense to train for what will be useful for the rest of your life? To lift groceries, crawl around with grandkids, or get under the sink when something breaks? What good are personal records in the gym if they leave your body wrecked? If you are borrowing from the future filled with pain and immobility, the only acceptable time to push yourself to the absolute limit is when you are trying to outrun the hoodlums or the Nazis, to literally save your life. The DSY principle is simple. You do what you need to keep your body in good shape, not less, but not more. More belongs to other areas of life. Your body is the greatest tool you have ever had access to. It can give you so much joy. Treat it with respect, listen to it, and it will serve you for many years to come, no matter your age. Haven't moved much lately and not sure where to start? Try 3-minute radio Taiso stretches. Here is how to do them, and there is a follow-along too. Do this for a week and see what happens. But be careful, these sneaky little gateway stretches that might just make you want to move more and get fit. If you like this, please tell your friends and enemies about me, turn on the notification bell and have a flame war in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!